Hey guys, today I brought another awesome tool for you, and yeah, as usual. So this awesome tool is something that I'm using for about 3 months and I'm pretty impressed of it. You see, there is a tool called Hydra which is made by a developer which helps me a lot nowadays. Now, suppose you're working on a big project or even a small project. So you need a build projects. If you don't know what's that, you have to manage projects, you have to organize the code, you have to organize it well. And while doing this, it takes a bunch of time to make folders and create files, make boilerplates, whatever you do. So that's why it kind of becomes irritating and people don't just do that. So why not use a smarter solution? You would find many other project managers or about project builders there, but this one is something that I definitely like, and this one is something that I definitely recommend to you. And this thing works on all operating systems, which is Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So how to install Hydra, how to use Hydra. So this is the official Hydra website, which is it's good. It's not actually the website, it's the repository of Hydra. And as you can see, this is the readme. So here is, I won't read this, I won't explain this much, just method down. So this is the installation method 1. This is what you get. And if you have Go, so this Hydra thing has been written in Go, so you can just execute this command. But as I don't program in Go, I won't use this. I will go for the methods above. Now this one, following commands in bash or whichever shell you want. So let me open the terminal, and so here what I will do is, first let's just copy this out, the first line. Now paste this here. Now just copy this and again paste this. Now this should be run as sudo. If you are in Windows, then just do this, the down command that they have given below. Here they will install Hydra. So it's basically downloading the whole thing from the script they give. Now the path they add, actually this path, if you are not using bash shell, if you are using KHC, or if you are using that ZXC or fish, as I'm using fish, so this is something that lacks here, but no worries, we can just fix it. If we just search how to add stuff to path in fish and Hydra, we can just add it to path. Let's just see the hidden files. So here is my hidden file Hydra, which is .hydra folder. Let's just clear this thing out. Yeah, here I get something. So DuckDuckGo is your best way. Okay, so this is what we copy and this is what we paste here. Fish user paths. Now let's see, this will be, for me it's .hydra. Now let's just restart this. You just open the shell, Hydra. Okay, so Hydra is installed now. As you can see, it was pretty simple process. And now we now how to use it. Let's go to the documentation again, usage. First I configure Hydra. Let's config Hydra config. You can explore here more, and let's do help. So configuration. So if we config Hydra config default lang Python, as these are the supported languages for this. So currently Hydra just supports these. Let's just minimize it. Yeah, now I set this as Python. Name one I will set as J. Then GitHub username I can set that to, which is GitHub username. I will put my name here. Now just clear this out. Now just let's go to default license as they had mentioned below. Now I go for MIT licenses, I don't use others. So this is how they set all the stuff. Now just start using it. Let's see Hydra list. For checking the available languages, we have to execute basically the Hydra list command. For example, Hydra list langs. Hydra supports the following languages for project initialization. Now Hydra, suppose Hydra init. Now this is a cool feature. Then this is where the whole stuff starts. Let's just enter our project directory and just Hydra init, which is initialize. Project name, let's make a project like Razzles and a language. Now if you don't give this argument, I mean it's basically an option, you can give or not give. If you don't give it, then it will create from your default language which you set. Now suppose I give Hydra init Razzles. Okay, so this is one second. Okay, so probably this license one we had to give a capital MIT. Yeah, nice. Now Hydra init Razzles. Done. So this is done. Now what we need to do is, let's see, we have a folder named Razzles here, and in this Razzles, let's just open this in Visual Studio Code. It will automatically create the folder, which is pretty nice. And as we open it in VS Code, we can see, boom, so many folders are automatically created. Yes, I trust all the authors. This is what we are looking for. This is so well organized. The gitignore file is already made. License file is already made. Readme is made. Setup is made already. So you get the boilerplate for so many things. Test files. Here there is init.py, and yeah. So this is how you organize your projects so easily. So this was an awesome tool for every developer out there who who codes in these few languages which I told, like Go and C++, C, Ruby, Flask. Flask is a Python framework if you didn't know. And there is web development. Suppose I create a web development project. The web development thing is very helpful. I have used it, and I just I'm fond of it basically, and I just like it. Now Hydra init, let's give another name Jake and web. Okay, so this was fast. This also done. As it's written in Go, it's pretty fast. Another code, yeah, opened. Well, this is Jake folder. Here the CS yeah, it is given. Then there is nothing in the images folder, of course, and there is a script.js file. Gitignore because XML files and web of gitignore. This is an awesome feature that I told, and I have lots of fun with using this because it's you can spot it makes stuff so easy. It just, if you're a developer and if you can't organize your project, then use these tools. These are always available. So, and talking about this, we end this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, press the like button, and also click the subscribe button and share this video to other fellow programmers. Or I also make tech related content here, so some geeks, share it to them, and meet you next time.